Another reason why chiropractors provide safer treatment when compared to other healthcare options is that our treatment is non-invasive. What does that mean? All of our treatments are performed outside of the body's surfaces. Nothing enters the body, like any tools or machinery. The skin is never cut open, and nothing has to be ingested and processed through the circulatory system, digestive system, urinary system, etc. That being said, different injuries call for different forms of treatment, and no singular treatment is the best option for every single form of pain.